Hi guys, so I know I normally do like a current favorites and I just recently did one I think, so I thought I would do one that's like everyday favorites. I'm pretty sure I saw Emily Noel do this a couple of times. These are things I don't talk about that often but I constantly am using. I thought I would just share some things, I don't know. First thing is boring and weird, but a scrunchie. It has hair in it, of course. Wouldn't be my channel if it didn't. Scrunchies, I have tons of these. I like the biggest ones you can find. Some of them are really tiny and still have a really tight hair tie in them. This is obviously really loose and big. I have them everywhere in a drawer by the sink in the bathroom. I have them when I get ready in the morning. I have them when I do fake tan. I literally can pop my hair up so quick and easy, wrap it just around once, twice, make a little bun, pull some out. I can like go out of the house. Good to go. They also don't leave an indent in my hair. I have very thin hair that gets indented very easily from tight ponytails. My head actually gets really bad headaches too, like right here, like behind my ears right here, anytime I put any kind of my hair up at all. And this keeps it loose enough that I don't have that problem. You can leave it on your wrist and really look cool, but I just think they're so convenient and way better than a normal hair tie. You don't lose them too because they're so big. I just absolutely love them and I use them literally every single day. I'm using a hair tie and they're super cheap and you can get them on Amazon. They're great. Another thing that has saved my life, not even saved my life, like it sounds so bad I'm saying this, but a long Apple wire. Obviously I have an iPhone like everyone, and of course their wires are super short and I have a full bed, so that means if I plug it on one side of my bed at night, in the morning, anything, I can't even like roll over and use my phone because it doesn't stretch that far. It barely stretches from the floor to the bed, and I think everyone knows how annoying the short wires are, so this might be something you already know, but I have a long wire. I don't want to say, what is this, 6 feet or something? I got this for like $8 on Amazon, and this is an Amazon Basics one. It says Amazon Basics on it, so it works with my phone and never gives me that sign that says like this is not compatible. I have a bunch of different colors and stuff. I just obviously got white. I don't know, I just think it's so much more convenient to have a long wire and it's so affordable, and I use this obviously every day, so I just thought I'd throw that out there. Okay, another thing which is kind of weird, but it's this robe. It's just like a fuzzy kind of white robe. It was from Kohl's. I think my grandma actually got it for my mom for Christmas one year, but I stole it from her. And I thought white would get super dirty, and there is parts of it like around the neck that kind of are dirty, but I washed it and it washes really nice. It's a medium and it fits me really, really well. I'm pretty sure it's pretty affordable and you can find those at Kohl's or wherever, but I just never had a robe before, and I'm very, like, I'm the type of person who would wear a tank top in the winter, like right now, and then put a sweater on or a sweatshirt, and then I get hot and I take the sweatshirt off. It's annoying, but the great thing about a robe, I feel like I'm such a weirdo. Like, I've been sitting here talking about a robe. I'm 80. The thing about a robe is you can tie it really tight and like go like this and make it really, really warm, or you can leave it open or just use it as like a blanket. Like, there's so many uses, and who needs a snuggie when you have a robe? And I know it sounds weird and it probably look like an 80-year-old woman too when I use it, but I love it and I use it all the time, like winter, summer, all the time. I wear it every day, and if you are the type of person that gets hot and cold all day, like, get a robe, you'll love it. Another thing I can't get because it's plugged into my TV is the Amazon Fire Stick. I love that thing, although recently they took off the YouTube app, which is obviously one of the main reasons I wanted it, and even though they took it off because Amazon and Google are like having their issues and all that stupid stuff that YouTube's having issues with everyone, I still really like it because you can use Firefox or something and watch YouTube through that, so I can still do it. Also, it's Netflix, then there's like all the jailbreaks and things, but I really like that it just has everything in one place. When I had YouTube on my Blu-ray player, it was weird, and the remote was weird, and it was slow. It's just so fast and easy to use, so user-friendly, and it just has everything you could possibly need. Pandora, it just has everything. It's also awesome if you do like yoga or workouts based on YouTube. It's awesome to be able to watch it on your TV. It's on Fire Stick's pretty cheap, $40, and it's totally worth it. Another thing super weird is strawberries, just straight up like fresh strawberries. You know it's weird to talk about, I guess, but I eat strawberries like every day with granola, just plain. That's pretty much the way I eat strawberries. I just love strawberries. I'm a big fruit person. I'd rather always go for a fruit than like a sweet or cake or anything like that. And strawberries are just my favorite, and it's really hard to find good ones, and they don't last very long, so you have to eat like a lot when you first buy them, but they're good. Like, strawberries are great. Just a reminder. Another thing I've been loving is reading. I literally read every day now. Right now I'm reading The Light Between Oceans. There's a movie, I haven't seen that yet, so I wanted to read the book first. And I've read like 5 or 6 books in the last 4 months and I'm just loving it. I hate that I took so much time off from reading after college because I absolutely love it. It helps me sleep better, it helps me focus. It's just so different than watching TV or watching a movie. It just kind of sticks with you more and you have more of an imagination, and I don't know, it's just really exciting. And I don't know, I really don't know how to describe it, but just try to read. Get one really good book and it'll get you back into reading, because ever since I read one book that I really liked, I just keep reading and reading. Yeah, I'm liking this one a lot, and I've read so many books like so quickly because I love it, and I've just been reading a lot, and I feel like I had mentioned that. Just thought I'd mention it again. Another thing that proves I'm 100 is a cleaning product, and this is the Lysol Disinfectant Max Cover. They have this all over like on TV, and I got it because I'm very I don't know, aware of illnesses and like bacteria and germs, and I don't have a washing machine that's like a front load that works with really humongous things. So I love having this because every time I wash my sheets I spray my mattress with this, and pretty much you can spray it on hard surfaces, soft surfaces, couches, mattresses, pet beds, and it kills so many different things. Like in 30 seconds it kills a bunch of different viruses, and then in 3 minutes it kills bacteria, viruses, and fungus. In 10 minutes it'll kill these other kinds of things, and you can deodorize, disinfect, and sanitize. Super easy to use. I get the lavender one because I think it smells better. They had a green one that's like smells like rain, but it stinks. I literally use this all over the place and it's great. It really makes me feel cleaner. Smell lasts too, so I really like using this. It makes me feel a little bit more secure and safe and healthy. Another thing that I use every single night is this InnoGear humidifier. But I love this thing. It's amazing. It runs all night. I just put water in it and it's a humidifier, and you can put in any kind of essential oils. I like lavender to help me sleep, or like a sleep blend. I'm obsessed with it. It's easy to clean, easy to use, and I would highly recommend it, especially this time of year when everything's kind of dry, skin, mouth, nose, like everything feels dry. This really helps out, helps me breathe better, and I just think it's really great. And the last thing, oops, messed up my hair. And the last thing, I guess, for this video, although there's tons of things I use every day, the last thing I wanted to mention is my anxiety pills that I take every day. I'm now on a regime and I'm really proud of myself. I haven't taken, like, I have an emergency pill for like panic attacks. I haven't taken it in almost 2 months now. I'm just really proud of myself. My therapist is very proud of me for like the steps I've taken. I still am not at the point I want to be at. It's obviously a pretty long journey, but I'm doing a lot better, and I know that medication and prescription drugs aren't for everyone, especially for things like anxiety. Obviously talk to your therapist and your doctors about that, but it was the right choice for me, and I'm just so happy that I'm taking it, and it's changed my life. I'm so much happier, more free and comfortable. I spent so long trying to convince myself I didn't need them and that I could do it myself, but I kind of got on myself and felt more like a failure, like I was letting myself down, everyone down, because I couldn't control my anxiety. But if you need it and you have a chemical imbalance, and meds are important. So if you guys want me to do an updated anxiety story or anxiety journey, please let me know. I'll do a video with that. I don't want to like overload you guys with anxiety stuff, but if you want an updated kind of journey, more detailed, please let me know in a comment, because I'd be happy to do that. But that is another current everyday favorite that it's really helping me out a lot. Yeah, those are some of the things I use all the time, and I just never really talk about that much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see more from me, and I'll see you soon.